Hello everyone, today I'm going to cook green moong dal. I have got 1 cup of green moong dal. I've soaked it in water for 6 hours and I have drained the water. So let's get started. So we're going to cook our dal in a pressure cooker. And I'm adding 2 cups of water. And also I took 1 onion, 1 tomato and 7 red chilies. Let's add all of them. Turmeric powder, just less than 1/4 of a teaspoon, and little hing powder. And now we can close it, turn on the heat and let it cook for 15 minutes or up to 4 whistles. So that's the third whistle, so we can turn off the heat and let's keep it aside. And let's take a frying pan and 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm adding mustard seeds, and also I've got little ure and 4 to 5 whole pepper and little cumin seeds, and I've got like 3 garlics cut into small pieces, and finally I'm adding curry leaves. Just saute for a few seconds. And then we can add our green moong dal into this. And now I'm adding salt and just cover it with the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes and our green moong dal is ready. So it's been 10 minutes. Okay, it looks good, cooked well. So before we turn off the heat, I'm just adding 1 spoon of ghee. Just mix it and then we can turn off the heat. Our green moong dal is ready. So please give a try and thanks for watching.